Hey, little one. Are you ready for sleep? In a little red room peeks a tiny moon. Curl cuddly feet under soft, soft sheets. The walls feel rich with hanging pictures. Of three blind mice running in the hall, of Humpty Dumpty sitting on a wall, a yellow school bus driving up a hill, Little Red Riding Hood and Jack and Jill. A pink toothbrush and a bowl of mush, a horse with the saddle and a rocking cradle, a book full of joy and a cute soft toy, a dreamy river with a boat and a paddle. Good night, Jack, and good night, Jill. Good night, school bus driving up a hill. Good night, mice, you better be nice. Good night, farm with the little windmill. Good night, Humpty, good night, Dumpty. Good night, toothbrush, good night, bowl. Good night, cradle, horse and saddle. Good night, toys, books of joys. Good night, sheets, good night, feet. Good night, night, I will sleep tight.